Hey everyone, so today I am doing a first impression love with food box, and I have the deluxe box, and sorry for any extra noises. For some reason it's really loud outside today. And I haven't took off the plastic, but let's get started. Rip into it. Okay, so this was just delivered to me about an hour ago, and it looks like this. I really love the box. It's really, I like it. Okay, and I have no clue what's in it. So let's open it. Ooh, I like this. Okay, and it just looks like this on the inside. And it has a card on the top. Oh! Okay, this is really awesome. I got the deluxe box because I got $10 off of it because I had a coupon code. And I'm sorry I could not get a coupon code for you guys. Okay, so it just has this card. And it says Surfing USA. And it has just all of the food that's in it. I've never got one of these boxes before, but this is really neat. I really like this. Okay. So let's get started. I'm not going to open everything up to eat them, but if I can, I will try to open up some stuff. Okay, so the first thing I see is this. I don't know if I can open this yet. Oh, this is weird. Okay, so the first thing that I see is these banana chips, and it says crispy fruit chips. Okay, and it just looks like this. I don't know if I want to open this. Sorry. What does it say in here? Alright, I'm gonna try it. It smells really good. And it just looks like that on the inside. Sorry for eating on camera if I sound really loud. That is actually the best banana chip I've ever had. I really love banana chips. That is really good. I'm gonna have another one. That's good. That's really, really good. It tastes like a really, natural, I don't know, it tastes like a banana. Okay. I'm gonna really love this. Okay, so the second thing that I see is this. It's by Bear, and it's Simply Toasted Crunchy Coconut Chips. 100% natural. Oh, it's only got 3 ingredients. It says coconut, cane sugar, and sea salt. I really love coconut, so this is going to be really good. I don't think I want to open that one. Okay, so the second thing that I see is this Bare Naked Coconut Almond Curry. Spicy? And it's coconuts, almonds, and cashews. So that's going to be really good. That's going to be really good on yogurt or something. I don't think I want to open that. Okay. Oh, I really want to open this. Okay. So the second thing I see is this. It's by the brand Tasty, and it's organic wild berry fruit snacks. made with real fruit juice. And it just looks like this. There's a lot of food in here. And it just looks like that. That's going to be really good. Can't wait to try that. And then I got another one by the same brand, and it just looks like this. It's organic fruit snacks. And it just looks like that. So that's going to be really good. Okay. Oops. So I got another curry mix. So that's going to be good too. What is this? Okay, so this is by Sunripe, and it's 100% fruit strips. That's weird. I have no clue what this is. Okay, so I'm guessing it's like candy. It says, chewy fruit yumminess with no added sugar that tastes as good as candy. Okay, so I'm guessing it's going to be like a fruit roll-up or something. So that's going to be good too. Sorry, I can't try everything. Oh gosh. This is going to be interesting. Okay, the next thing that I see is this Sea's Gift roasted seaweed snack. It says sweet and salty. I've actually really never tried seaweed, so I wonder if it's good. I should try that. I don't want to try it right now. But I will try that. Okay, so whoa. Okay, so the next thing that I see are these 4 packets, and it's by I don't know. What is this? Okay, so it's by True Citrus, and I got lemon, grapefruit, orange, and another grapefruit. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so they're just drink mixes. And I just got 4 of these little packages. I will definitely use these. They just look like this. Okay, so the next thing that I see is, what is this? Are these little biscuits? It doesn't have a name. Oh, there it is. Okay. Lemon almond biscotti. Okay, so they're just little biscuits. I wonder if they're good. Oh, jeez. Okay, so I actually found some more of these packets, and this one is lemon, this one's orange, and this one, and these 2 are lime. Okay, so that's cool. I got more. I'm gonna try one of these. Oh, it smells really good. What kind is this? Lemon. Ooh, I love lemon. That is really good. Okay, so it's lemon. It's not a strong sour lemon, but it's really good. It's kind of hard, but it's good. And it's got almonds in it. I will have to eat that. that later. That's really good. Okay, so I got 2 of those. Okay, so the next thing that I see is, I've been waiting for this. I actually knew this was in here, and this is 1 potato, 2 potato, kettle potato chips, and it's in Hawaiian barbecue. I actually just ate barbecue chips already today. I love barbecue chips. And thank goodness I got 2 of those. I love, love, love barbecue chips. Okay, so the next thing that I see is the last thing in my box, which are these green apple glee gum? What? Okay. Gum Pops by Glee Gum. It says it's all natural, so that's pretty good too. I can't wait to try these. And I just got 2 of those. And on the bottom, it just has some of these cards. Yum. It just has some discount codes. So I will have to try all of these. Okay, so that's pretty neat. And like I said, I am sorry I could not eat all of that. That would be a lot of food for me to eat. And my hair is starting to poof up. Dang it. So I'm gonna put everything back so I can eat it all. But this is really, really good. I like this. I'll have to maybe get some more online. And then the banana chips were really good too. I don't know how I feel about seaweed. I've never had seaweed. Maybe I'll have to make my mom try it with me. But everything in here looks really good. If you have like a large family, I really recommend getting this box, and it comes with a lot of like good snacks and yummy. Okay, so that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.